What do wheel spacers do on Tesla Model S?
By pushing the wheels away from the vehicle hub, 2023 Tesla Model S wheel spacers increase the track width. As the track width increases, the handling of curves and swerving and the resistance to rollover improves. This also prevents bigger tires from bumping any suspension parts. Premier 2023 Tesla Model S wheel spacers are very safe at high speed, and they make your car even safer. Forged 2023 Tesla Model S wheel spacers are significantly lighter and stronger than cast ones. There are forged 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum BONOSS wheel spacers for the Tesla Model S. Both these two types of wheel spacers are of good strength, toughness, hardness, and corrosion resistance. But it is noticeable that 7075 T6 wheel spacers feature a tensile strength nearly double that of 6061 T6 aluminum spacers. This alloy is one of the strongest types of aluminum available.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.